Hey everyone, in this quick video, I want to show you a cool transition LoRa for LTX 2.3. It can be used with first and last frame video generation for creating cool transitions. So, let's see how we are going to use the LoRa. The download link for this LoRa is available in the description. So, let's get started. Once you open the link for the transition LoRa, you can find a lot of information regarding it. I suggest taking a look at the information. Here, we can find examples of the LoRa. If we scroll down further, we can find the trigger word for this LoRa. Use this trigger word at the end of your prompt. Also, there is a prompt writing guide for the LoRa. I suggest reading that information. To download this LoRa, scroll up and click on Files and Versions. So, here is the LoRa named LTX 2.3 Transition. Use the download button to download the LoRa and place it inside the LoRa's folder of ComfyUI. I will also be using the new 1.1 distilled version of LTX 2.3. The download link for this new model is in the description. I'll be using the FP8 scaled version. Now, let's switch to ComfyUI. Here, I have already set up a first and last frame workflow. This is a modified workflow from my LTX 2.3 multi-keyframe generation video. So let's take a look at the differences. In the Load Diffusion Model node, I have selected the LTX 2.322B Distilled 1.1 model. Next is the Load LoRa node for the LTX 2.3 Transition LoRa. This node is added between the Load Diffusion Model node and the CFG Guider node. We also have this Quen Image Edit 2511 subgraph node for editing the first frame and using it as the last frame. Right now, I've written a prompt saying a woman sleeping on a bed, top view. Let's see how that result is going to look. Let's run this preview image node. Here is the result. Now we can use this image as the last frame. Also, if you don't want to use Quen Image Edit, just set the Edit First Frame switch to false. When it is set to false, we will be using the Load Image Last Frame node for loading the last frame. Regarding the prompt for LTX 2.3, I wrote a simple prompt, the woman sleeps on a bed, followed by the trigger word for the LTX 2.3 Transition LoRa. Now, let's run the workflow and see what the result looks like. Here is the result. Let's play the video and see what the transition looks like. As you can see, the result is quite good. If I hadn't used the LoRa, the result might have just been the first frame fading out while the last frame starts. Now, let's try another image. I'm going to choose this underwater image, and for the last frame, I'll use this landscape image. This time, I'm not going to use the Quen Image Edit 2511, so let's turn that off. I'll also put the Quen Image Edit 2511 subgraph into bypass mode. Now, let's write the prompt for the video generation. I will write camera push in showing the mountains. I'm not going to change the end of the prompt, which is the trigger word. Let's start the generation and see the result. The generation is finished, so let's play the video. As you can see, we got a very nice result. I really love this transition. So guys, you can create a variety of transitions using the LTX 2.3 Transition LoRa. It's not always perfect, but I think it's a must-have LoRa. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.